Got me some good old-fashioned farmhand. This is the lettuce bed right here. There's some good lettuces in here. A little bit of grasses mixed in. This is still doing good. Some of it's beginning to flower. But over here, this stuff never really took off. So we're gonna replant. We're gonna this little square here. We're gonna rake it all up and we'll replant a second harvest there. This here lettuce looking really good. Some of it's going to flower. But this is the stuff that just never took. We got some grass starting to really grow in there. The beets didn't really take either. I'll probably replant half these beds. Look at this here. This was the kale. The kale never really took off. This back here was the beets. We got one beet right here that I can see. The others, I might rip this out. They're getting overtaken. It's not working out. Yeah, grass just overtook it, but you see I got this beet right here. That's a beet. This is a little beet. This is a little beet. You got this one back here. And this one, but it's just overtaken. I think they should be bigger by now. We'll probably replant that with lettuce as well. As you can see, our lettuce is going to flower. Buttercrunch over here still looks good. I'm just cutting down these, cutting the tops off and bringing them in for lettuces and salads. Welcome to the backyard. If you're new, please hit that like, subscribe button. I'll get to the potatoes in a minute. You know what? We're gonna get rid of the beets. I don't think they're tearing it up. Alright, we got that little planting bed where the beets were and where the kale was supposed to be but never was. So I think that's a good little second harvest of the lettuce. We'll plant some whatever lettuce we got in the box. Tomatoes looking good. Here's some cilantro. Look at those tomatoes. These were out when it was still cold. Look at them blooms. That's sunflower. Strawberries. There's a potato. Show you the potatoes out front. Rhubarb. Rhubarb looks like it's gonna go to flower. Huh. Another sunflower. More asparagus. I'm gonna speckle some strawberries in here soon. Blueberries. Blueberry. Another blueberry. A shower. So it's coming along. Another tomato. Cucumbers. Little Vivant guy there. More cucumbers. New patio. Yup. We got some more butter crunch left. Let's sprinkle some of that. Sprinkle some of that in there. That's good. Back in the box, let's see what we got left. Cilantro. That spinach never really took. Come on, I know I got a little more lettuces in here. We gotta go get some more lettuce. Butter crunches we're gonna drop in here. There's a 9 p.m. water. New seeds here, new seeds there, and new seeds there. The other lettuces here will probably get yanked once they start going to flower. I'm gonna have to buy some more seeds though. I want to get different varieties. Just the evening water. Put down some hay. I'm trying to grow the grass back from the new patio. Every year, trying to grow grass. Never wants to stick though. Tomatoes and peppers looking good over here. Could get a little bit more mulch, maybe weed a little bit more, but I don't care. Shower. Beds. Looks pretty good back here. These raspberries are coming in. These raspberries are toppling over after the last rain. Holy moly. Look at those raspberries. I got tons of them. Gonna be a good year for raspberries. Yeah, let's go over these peas. A little tomato. Look at these peas. I'd like to see more. Thought they'd be climbing a little bit better. Well, that's a wrap for tonight. Cheers.